What if I told you that a Lego safe box that is not only able to keep things safe, it is also able to detect the thief and shoot it back if needed. This is Lego Safe Box 1.0. So this is the gear where you open it like this, whatever, and this is the 360 view. So let's dive in. Okay. This is Lego Safe Box 1.0. So this is the gear where you open it like this, whatever, and this is the 360 view. So let's dive in. Okay. So now it's activated. You can do locked. If you want to open it, then go to this diagonal position and go to this 0 position and go to this top corner position. Why do I call this a very safe box? It's because it has 2 layers of security. Not only that it's capable of only one motor inside, it also has an extra additional motor outside to keep it safe more better. So here, this is the inside look. We have the distance sensor right here to detect if the door is closed or open, which means that you are not allowed to close the lock unless the door is closed perfectly. So I've got the thing, you put it in, oops, it's locked. Now we unlock it. So, okay, here's the thing. So you keep it in. Okay, so this might not be the compact design for keeping large things in, but this is a prototype model for how safe can it be in real life use. In order to close it, you have to give a red color and a blue color. So now it's randomizing the gear. Okay. So now it's locked. You can see you cannot open it unless you bring it back. So why do I protect this hub from here? So to prevent from easily stopping the hub and moving the wire, I added extra additional, how do I call it? I don't know. Just whatever it's from like a circular plate or something to cover the hub screen. You can only press it by going under. So the thing I want to show you right now is this. So this is the turret, which I use one motor again to launch this. Like, oops, okay, whatever. You let it be on the teeth, right? So I don't know how to open it. What is this? Oh, this is safe. Let me open this. Oh, there's a touch phone there. Let me want it. Okay. And boom, it shoots. So if the thief is going to open, he's gonna get hurt by this turret. So it's good for protecting the safe from unwanted strangers. So I become the thief right now. I don't know how to open it. What is it? This is the same. There might be a present thing right here. Okay, so how do I open it? Oh, this is the one. I don't know. Oh, ouch, you heard it, right? So this is a turret to prevent from other unwanted strangers from opening the safe and taking valuable things in here. And then here, you can see it. So this can shoot, this lock. You can open it from here as I told before. This is really safe. Let me put the headphones like in case I forgot it. So this is the Lego Safe 1.0. It's very safe, has 2 motors to lock, and has a tower to stop the thief from stealing things. So that's it for today guys. Bye bye.